Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we covered the basic structure of C programming language. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check it out because I broke down each part of the program in a way that will help you remember C easily. Plus, I gave some homework in that video and you will find the solutions in the description below. And if you're enjoying these tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you will never miss an update. Let's get started. My name is Sujal and you are watching Sujal Coach. In our today's video, we are going to cover what are keywords. So now let us look at what are keywords in C. Keywords are the reserved words in C whose meaning is already known by computer. And if you want to know in detail, let us take some examples such as you write printf in our last program, you wrote int in our last program, you wrote main in our last program, you return in our last program, and many more things are there which are known as keywords. There are a total of 36 keywords in C programming language which are used generally in it. So if you want to use a keyword, then you need to make sure that you are using it either to print it somewhere, else you cannot use it because keywords are reserved words. Means their meanings are already stored by computer. For example, let us write our basic code again, which I wrote in our last video. As you can see, I have written the basic code which we wrote in our last video. So like you see here, printf, return, int, these all are keywords, and they are mostly used to name variables because if somebody uses int x, means they are not naming the variable correctly because that's the violation of rules. A keyword is something whose meaning is already known. So we cannot use it to name our variables. We cannot use it anywhere else we like because they are something which are reserved. For example, as I said, we can write here int, we can write here printf because it's a input which is taken by the function printf, and it is taking the functions and in input it is taken in such a way that it converts it in string so we don't face the error. So these were keywords. We can research on them using Google. There are 36 of them. You can read about all of them, or these are some of the main, and you will be learning most of them just by watching my videos. So now this was it for today. I hope you understood what are keywords, and I also told you that the answers of the homework which I have given in my last video are in the description. So all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care for you and bye bye.